Springtime is storm season in Texas.
You got to have moisture, you got to have lift and the energy. You get all three, look out for storms.
A 3-ingredient recipe for the perfect storm.
Sometimes you have maybe 4 or 6 hours to prepare for a severe weather outbreak where ingredients come together quickly.
Our Fox 7 meteorologists use the computer weather models to measure.
So you go through that storm checklist.
Do you have enough moisture, which is fuel, lift or motion, and energy or instability?
Front, plenty of moisture and upper level energy to accelerate that rise in motion, and the result, a really good chance of rain.
Checking 5 or 6 different models to be sure.
And if all of them are showing storms, then we're gaining confidence that, yes, we may have a severe weather outbreak. It gets tricky if 1 or 2 just show that. And then you have to use your knowledge and experience to get that accurate forecast for severe weather.
A chance of rain can mean a chance for hail.
You need all the ingredients for severe storms to lead to large hail events.
But additional ingredients are needed.
If you have flat clouds, you're not going to see a good chance for hail. But when you see those clouds building up and they grow taller and taller, they're going to a spot where it's freezing.
Wow.
So when the raindrops get caught up in that updraft and they go way up in the atmosphere, they start to freeze. And then they start to form a little ice pellet. And then they start to fall again. And they'll start to gather more and more water. So it's a cycle. That super cool droplet keeps going up and down, and then eventually it turns into a hailstone. And then as it gathers more and more water droplets around it, it will refreeze. The hailstone will keep getting bigger and bigger. And it will get to the point where those updrafts that possibly go 60, 80 miles per hour, they cannot keep that hailstone up in the cloud, the storm cloud, and then it will fall to the ground. So you count the layers in the hailstone, you can tell how many times it cycles through the storm.
The stronger the updraft, the stronger potential for a massive hailstone, like this one found in Salado last month, even catching the eye of the National Weather Service.
Keep in mind, these hailstones are traveling about 90 miles per hour towards you.
From thousands of feet up.
Pea-size hail, dime-size hail, no, it's not going to do a whole lot of damage. But quarter-size or larger, yes, that's when you'll start to see damage to property.
Not just damaging, but potentially dangerous, which is why our meteorologists know what to look for ahead of time.
Rising air in the atmosphere is key to forecasting severe weather.